Namaskar, myself, Dr. Kamla R. Nagar, Professor and Head, Department of Dravaguna, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to share my lecture on Lavang or Syzygium aromaticum. Content of the lecture are general introduction, morphology, properties, useful part and doses, and Ayurvedic preparations. Lavanga or cloves is one of the most common spices used in kitchen. This herb has a great medicinal importance for the treatment of various ailments. It herb contains the eugenol, which adds up to 70 to 90% of the clove essential oil. This herb has the soothing and cooling effects on the stomach. Use of this herb is good for the morning sickness of pregnant women. This is the beautiful view of Lavang or clove. Lavang is the medium-sized crown, bushy, evergreen tree growing up to 8 to 20 meters in height. Various parts of the tree, like leaves and barks, are aromatic, but it is most famous for the aromatic flower buds. The fruits are 6 mm in diameter, minute capsule with unctuous, many angled seeds inside. Latin name is Syzygium aromaticum, family is Myrtaceae, Hindi name is long or lavang, English name is clove. Ayurvedic properties or lavang is in ras it is tiktu, in gun it is laghu, snigdha, in virya it is sheath, in vipak it is katu, dosha effect is it is pitta kaf shamak, parts to be used is flower bud. Dose of oil is 1 to 3 drops and powder is 1 to 2 grams. Therapeutic properties of lavang are it is antioxidant, carminative, antifungal, anti-carcinogenic, immune stimulant, stomachic, anti-inflammatory, digestive, antibacterial, decongestant, expectorant, and aphrodisiac. This resolves the digestive problems like bloating, intestinal gas, nausea, stomach upset, distension, and dyspepsia. It also helps to provide relief in heartburn, acidity, and stomachache. Furthermore, it helps to improve the digestion. Antihelmintic properties of lavang are good to clear the intestinal worms from body. It is also good to treat the various intestinal infections which are caused by bacteria, virus, protozoa, and other pathogens. Therapeutic uses this is effective to resolve the respiratory disorders like cough, asthma, sinusitis, cold, sore throat, bronchitis, flu, whooping cough, fever, and tuberculosis. It helps to clear the mucus and phlegm from the airway and helps to provide relief in the nasal congestion, chest congestion, coughing, and shortening of breath. Used in the skin infection caused by bacteria, virus, and fungi. Antiseptic properties of these herbs are quite useful to fight against the various infections, helps in the natural healing of wounds, and also provide relief in the cuts, bruises, scabies, acne, prickly heat, insect stings, etc. Thanks to share your time with me. If you find any difficulty to understand the topic, please comment in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thanks once again.